Welcome to In Jamaica. And if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Port Maria towards Little Bay, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Banana Street. Entering Little Bay. On the left is Rectory Street, also Chief Taki Street, and that road will take you to Fort Aldine. Crossing the Salt River, and we are now driving on the A3 Northern Coastal Highway. Turning off the A3 Northern Coastal Highway onto the Little Bay to Jacks River Road. If we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Galena, Aracabessa, Tower Isles, Ocherius, and other places. The Little Bay to Jacks River Road, also Brooklyn Road, continues left towards Albion, Brooklyn, Glencree, Delianville, Jacks River, and other places. We have made the right onto the Little Bay to Aracabessa Road, popularly Grandstown Road. We are now en route to Grandstown. On the right is a private road. Entering Grantstown. The road was split in two some years ago by land slippage at this point. Work is still in progress to correct the land slippage. Please check the video description to see a walkthrough video before the road was repaired. We are now at Grantstown, and the road to the right is Villa Road, which will take you to Castle Garden District as well as back onto the Northern Coastal Highway. On the left is Gully Road, which will take you towards Kidland. On the left is Kidland Road, which will take you to Kidland, onto the Little Bay to Jacks River Road, to Brooklyn, Glen Cree, Delianville, and Jacks River. On the right is Grandstone Playfield. On the right is Firefly Estate, the holiday home and burial place of British playwright, composer, director, actor and singer Sir Noel Coward. The estate is now listed as a National Heritage Site by the Jamaica National Heritage Trust. The Firefly Estate was originally called Lookout by the famous pirate Henry Morgan, since it had been used for that purpose. Noel Coward discovered the site while on an excursion in the area. He purchased the property and built the house which now sits on it. He renamed it Firefly Hill because of the little glowing insects seen on the property. Sir Noel Coward died at the age of 74 at Firefly after written many of his famous plays there. He was buried at Firefly at his favorite spot. The road to the right will take you to Cabarita Lookout Hotel as well as into Lookout Community. The road to the right will take you into Lookout Community and also back to Cabarita Lookout Hotel. Entering Mesa Hall District, and the sign on the left reads, "Welcome to Mesa Hall." Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.